Okay, good morning everyone. The last topic of this particular section is what we're going to start, and that is displacement reactions. Now I won't waste much time in this particular topic because you've studied in class 10. So displacement reaction means higher reactive metal displaces the lower reactive metal, but lower reactive metal cannot displaces the higher reactive metal. So for that we have a reactivity series. For that we have a reactivity series, and the reactivity series says K, Na, Ca, Mg, Al, Zn, Fe, Pb, hydrogen, copper, etc. This is the reactivity series we know. So in displacement reaction we follow this method. Metal A plus salt solution of B gives you metal B plus salt solution of A, which means A is more reactive than B. This is only possible when A is more reactive than B. A is more reactive than B. You have also studied in class 10, that's why I am not going too much. For example, if I take a metal A, suppose if I take zinc, then salt solution of B, that is CuSO4. So this is suppose A and this is suppose B. B ka salt solution is copper sulfate. So it becomes salt solution of A, means Zn will replace copper to become zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus Cu. So Zn plus CuSO4 gives you ZnSO4 plus Cu. So this will be blue in color and this will be colorless. This is the basic idea of displacement reaction. So displacement reaction means it displaces one metal from the another metal, but provided this metal should be highly reactive. So zinc can displace copper, but copper cannot displace zinc. So if you reverse the equation and if you write like this, suppose if you write like this, Cu plus ZnSO4, this is not possible because copper cannot replace zinc because copper lies below. So copper will not be able to replace zinc because copper is less reactive than zinc. Clear? Next. So based on displacement reaction, we have to do a very important sum which generally comes in your exam. You please see question number 3 of page number 46. Metal ABCD given: iron sulfate, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, silver nitrate. Metal A, metal B, metal C, metal D given to you. It's a very important question of this particular chapter, so please see. And they have given you 4 solutions. Metal ferrous sulfate, they have given you copper sulfate, they have given you zinc sulfate, and they have given you silver nitrate. Clear? Now A has no reaction with this. Here no reaction is given. What do you mean by no reaction? Which means he cannot react, which means he cannot replace Fe, which means he is less reactive than Fe. Okay, he is less reactive than Fe because he cannot replace Fe and hence it is no reaction. So I can write that A is less reactive than Fe. I can write the A under iron like this. Clear? Number B. But they have told you there is displacement with copper sulfate. Here displacement reaction is there, which means copper will lie below A because A is doing the displacement reaction. So copper will lie below A. Next, if I see B displacement with iron. B displacement with iron means B shows reaction with iron. So if B shows reaction with iron, so B is more reactive because B is replacing iron. So if B is more reactive, then B will lie upper में than iron. Then B will lie upper में than iron because B is showing the reaction with iron. Then B is showing no reaction with zinc. B is showing no reaction with zinc. B is showing no reaction with zinc, which means B cannot replace zinc. Which means B cannot replace zinc. इसका मतलब क्या है? B zinc का नीचे है, नीचे zinc is top because B no reaction zinc. So ये ऐसा होगा. Understood? So Zn B Fe A Cu. Then C. No reaction, no reaction, no reaction. You will see in your book. It reacts with AgNO3. यार माने C जो है वो AgNO3 के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा है. Which means C will lie above Ag. Which means C will lie above Ag because C is reacting with Ag. Understood? Last one, D. No reaction, no reaction, no reaction, no reaction. D does not react only. So D does not react, तो D सबसे लास्ट में होगा. So D सबसे लास्ट में होगा. So this is the reactivity series you are getting here. Zn B Fe A Cu C Ag D. This is the reactivity series that you are getting. Now, which is the most reactive metal? Zinc. Which is the most reactive metal among A, B, C, D? The B. What would you absorb if B is added to solution of copper sulfate? B is added to a solution of copper sulfate. B is added to a solution of copper sulfate, it will displace. B plus CuSO4 gives you BSO4 plus Cu. Arrange the metals ABCD in order of decreasing reactivity. Arrange the metals ABCD in order of decreasing reactivity. So सबसे पहले B, then A, then C, then D. So B, then A, then C, then D. So this is the answer to the question. So homework also you will be getting today, and I want the homework by Friday, 3 days time. So this is all about displacement reaction. Study this reaction and all the best. Try it properly and be sincere because you people will be giving your board exam. Okay? Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day.